The game is 5-card draw. Deuces and one-eyed jacks are wild. Any
Oh, hi. I thought I heard someone there. I'm your voice teacher, and welcome to warm-up number 3 with your voice teacher. Well, if you've gotten this far, you will have done your lip trills and your ah-ya. Your jaw should be very relaxed. You should start to cultivate the upper resonance, and it's that resonance that we're going to worry about right now. While you're still feeling the openness of the ah-ya, we want to feel this while we say the words mini-mee. Big here, mini-mee, mini-mee. And we're attempting to focus the sound, give it more upper partials, upper overtones, into the warm sound. This is the Italian idea of chiaroscuro. Chiaro meaning light, oscuro meaning dark. Mini-mee is creating the chiaro, or the light. Ah-ya creates the dark, or the oscuro. And together, they create a very balanced sound that is very pleasing and amazing. So, we're going to again start in C major. As a theory professor of mine used to say, the people's key. And we're just going to do, for right now, 5 notes down. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Again, big here. The lip trills gave us activation of the lower abdomen. We keep that. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Mini-mee, mini-mee. Very good. Mini-mee, mini-mee. What should start to happen is that pressure comes off of the throat as the sound balances higher, okay? This is going to give us a really nice, I had another teacher who used to call it the velvet hammer. This is the hammer, the chiaro's the hammer, and the velvet comes out and gives you a nice warm hug, okay? It's these overtones that allow us to sing over an orchestra, to project. This is natural projection. It's like, acts like a microphone. Here we go, continuing. Mini, 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 mini. 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 On your own. Good. Good. Back down. Good. 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 Now here's what I want you to do. Continue that exercise. You should do that for 5 minutes at least. At least. If you really want to activate that resonance, you can do it for 10, 15, or even 20 minutes. And then your speaking voice will start to naturally project, and your singing voice will also naturally project. And that's what we want. Okay? So, this has been warm-up number 3. We'll see you next time for warm-up number 4. Look out for my fireside chats, and if you're feeling down, check out a pep talk. Take care. And take care of yourself and each other.